Welcome back to MK3 Resurrection. So, have your taillights stopped working? Most likely because the taillight failure module has quit working. You're going to need one of these. Available at any parts store. Okay, let's open this thing up. You're going to need this one. You will be surprised how many of the same plugs Toyota uses. Okay, the wires you're going to need are going to be these three, both gray and the black, and these two at the end, right here. You can depin the rest. Let me take a minute and depin them for you. Attach these two wires together. And attach these three wires together. Either you can solder or crimp these, depending upon your choice. Unplug your faulty module and plug your plug into that. And that will take care of your taillights not working. Just another short video from MK3 Resurrection. May the Blessed Mother Acceleration watch out for you.